Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I bring you this TAPO brand. This is a TP-Link brand and they have created this TAPO. They have some gadgets that you can control wirelessly. You connect them to your home router and you control them the way you want. So in this case I have a socket. This is the P100, TAPO P100. It says here on the box that works with Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa, and it has Bluetooth. I believe this is just for the configuration part. And we have remote control, schedule, timer, voice control, Bluetooth, easy setup, away mode, and fireproof. And this is a 220 socket, Wi-Fi socket, rated at 10 amps. So that's a total power of 2,300 watts. So this is the max load. You cannot connect anything with a bigger load than this one. Otherwise, I don't know if it will cut or if it will actually burn. That's a good question. So we're gonna this is open. Just gonna unwrap it and we're gonna see what's inside. Okay, quick start guide with the app to do the scan. The socket itself, it comes in a small plastic. Okay, just gonna remove it. Okay, this is how it looks. See, here at the bottom it says max power 2,300 watts, max 10 amps. Okay, the eyelets are protected, they are isolated. That means you cannot put any sharp objects inside here. This is interesting. This is actually protection for the kids. There's a power button and the socket itself. That's about it. So we're gonna plug it and we're gonna configure it. Okay, I've plugged this to a socket and I have here a power bank and a charger, so you can see it working, and I have my smartphone here. So what I'm going to do is going to add the socket. I'm going to be sharing this screen here on the image. So there's a socket, there's lamps, there's loads of stuff here. This is a socket, P100. Here at the bottom there's the light is green, is flashing green and orange, yes. I have Bluetooth enabled, since I saw Bluetooth on the box. It says it's searching, and found it. Okay. Looking for a Wi-Fi. I'm going to choose my Wi-Fi. I'm going to put the password. It already has a password. Okay. I'm going to do next. Next. Connecting to the network. Okay, I heard a click. This is just a name. I'm going to put next. And where is it located? I don't know. Living room. In the office. Next. This is the icon. You can change the icon. You can say this is a coffee machine or whatever. Next. Check for updates. No updates. Finish. Okay. Is it on? I question myself. Yes, it is. So right now it's charging. It says on. I'm going to turn it off. Didn't do anything yet. Now we did. Took a while. Okay, back on. Off. The first click took a little bit. What we have a schedule where you can say at sunrise, at sunset, you turn on or you turn off. You can have several schedules here. You can have, there's a function called absent, which means you can connect a lamp here in your house and it will randomly light this lamp. So you would be pretending, this would pretend that you are home, turning on and off lights at your house. And there's a timer. It can be countdown timer to turn on or a countdown timer to turn off. You have the two options. And when you have a whole ecosystem of devices from TP-Link, you can do one thing, which is smart, they call it smart actions. What these things actually do is, for example, imagine you have a light bulb, a smart light bulb. Every time you turn on the light bulb, you can set an action that is, you will also turn on this socket, which has my cooling fan, for example, in the summer. So you arrive at home, you turn on your lights, and it will turn on this socket too. And you can create this kind of procedures according with your setup. That's what this automation does. So other than that, it's pretty straightforward, very easy to set up. If you want to turn it off without the smartphone, you can always press the small button here on the side and it turns off. So you don't need the smartphone to turn this on and off. So thank you very much for watching, and subscribe if you like my videos, and I see you in the next video. Thank you very much.